So I've had a couple of requests off the Fjern Stormgrotta video where I made my own guy lines, and people are wanting to see how I did that. So in this short I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to need 6 of these. I'll put links in the description. So they're just the clips off Amazon. 6 lengths of that. So this basically cut up into 6 probably 1200mm lengths. A lighter, some heat shrink tubing. Once you cut your lengths, you're going to have 2 frayed ends, so you just take a lighter to them and just make sure that they won't fray anymore. Then you're going to take your first end and the clip, you're going to tie a clove hitch, so you're going to go through, then round the back of the line, back through the hole, and then back through the loop that goes round the back of the line there. Pull that tight. Put a half hitch in. Then go to the other end of the line, take your shrink tube, slide it over the opposite end of the line, all the way up to the top. We're going to feed the excess into the shrink tube and up to the knot. Then you're just going to gently heat this with a lighter, making sure you move it across quickly so that you don't burn the line that's inside. Let that cool down for a minute. With this end, we're going to slide the shrink tube on first. Make a loop like this, and we're just going to tie a figure of 8 on a bite. So take the top of the loop, go across the front of both bits of line, then you're going to twist it round the back and then back through both loops at the top, and then you're going to pull that, neaten it up, making a figure of 8. Slide that up, over both those. Again, I'm going to take the lighter and just gently heat up both sides. Let that cool down, and there you have it. Strong, neat, ideal. See you next time.